I'm Yaneli Espinal with another FinCap Friday brought to you by NextGen Personal Finance. Coronavirus started in China during the transition between 2019 and 2020, but it later spread, impacting way more than just the people and businesses in China. For example, the stock market in the United States saw the biggest drop since the 2008 financial crisis, which made a lot of investors nervous. In order to stop the spreading of coronavirus, a lot of stores and factories in China shut down. This affected the profits of companies that are used to having high sales in China, like fashion companies and electronics companies. And even worse, companies that depend on workers in Chinese factories to make their products are now stuck with no supply for their usual demand. So how could businesses decide to deal with this issue? Companies have two main choices. They can either find a different source of labor outside of China or shut down production. But finding a different factory to make your same products at a similar price point is actually really tough to do, which explains why some companies like Ford and Tesla shut down their plants in China. In March 2020, Twitter became the first major US corporation to tell its employees to work from home. As a result of more people working from home, companies that offer video conferencing services like Zoom and Google were able to capitalize on coronavirus. Google offered their video conferencing and recording services for free to businesses and schools. And Zoom allowed extra participants to be in each call at no extra cost. This led to an increase in the value of Zoom stock, even though most other companies saw a decrease in the value of their stock at the same time. Through most major historical events, the stock market tends to rise and fall most when there's uncertainty about the near future of the economy. The early 2020 hype of coronavirus spread faster than the virus itself. So many experts shared that as situations like this evolve, the most important thing for people to do is to stay calm and stay informed.